A lot of our trekkers do the Dayara Bugyal trek from two start points. One of them is Raithal and the other is Barsu. Both are villages which are almost very close to each other. So from Raithal you go up to Gui and Chilapada and then hit the Dayara Meadows, and then people go to the meadows, they look around and they come back to Raithal. Then there's this other route which people go from, which starts from Barsu and Barnala, and then you touch the Dayara Meadows, where both these trails kind of intersect at one spot. And they go down and have a look at the Dayara Meadows and they come back. What I want to tell you this is that this is not really the full complete Dayara trek. And if you have a little bit of adventure in your heart, then what you need to do is, you need to start your trek from either Raithal or Barsu, touch the Dayara Meadows, and then take the ridge walk via Devkund all the way to Siyari as you see over here. And then you'll be blessed with these astounding views that you are seeing right behind me, when they're so up close and personal. So Dayara trek for me, what our trekkers do, I'm not unhappy with it, but if they did this, the Dayara circuit which starts from Raithal and then ends at Siyari and then onward to Barsu, that would make a complete trek which would give them some of the most astounding views of the Gangotri ranges of the of our mountains, and including the Mandarpuch and Kalanag mountains. It is slightly more difficult than the regular Dayara trek. That's why I have mentioned that you need to be a little bit more adventurous to do this Dayara circuit. But it's not that much more difficult that you are going to find it absolutely out of your means. If you're prepared well, I would rate this as a moderate difficult trek. Nothing more than that.